In our mission to make parents' lives easier, we've been researching and testing the top prams and travel systems on the market. We've spent hours touring the Mumsnet forums to find out which pushchairs parents were loving, and also not loving. And after looking at over 100 products and testing 37, here's our list of the top 10 pushchairs for newborns. First up, we have the Nuna Mixx, which is a real all-rounder. It has a lightweight but sturdy frame, a really roomy seat, and there's also a good sized storage basket which can hold a changing bag or any other baby essentials you might need throughout the day. It's easy to fold and to steer, so whether you're out shopping or even off-roading in the countryside, you'll always find it really easy to push. If you're looking for a reliable pushchair that won't cost the earth, then the Maxi-Cosi Zelia is well worth considering. Retailing at just under £300, this travel system can be used from birth to around 3.5 years, and you won't have to shell out for any extras. If you're on the lookout for a package deal, you can sometimes find this pram on offer with a Maxi-Cosi car seat for under £400. The BabyZen YoYo Plus is a great option if you live in the city or are short on storage space. Weighing in at just 6.2 kilograms, it's one of the lightest buggies on the market. With the newborn pack, it offers all the flexibility of a larger travel system without taking up too much of your hallway. If you've already started looking at pushchairs, you'll probably have heard of designer brand Bugaboo. While most of their prams are a little pricey, loads of Mumsnetters say that they're well worth the investment. The Fox is one of Bugaboo's newer models. It has a high seat and a unique ballpoint brake, and while it's a little pricey, it could last you a long time. The Mamas and Papas Ocarro is an all-terrain pushchair designed for both comfort and stability. It has dual suspension and large puncture-resistant wheels which make it perfect for long walks in the countryside. It's easy to push and the large basket offers plenty of storage space. If you're looking for a future-proof pushchair that can adapt to a growing family, then the iCandy Orange is definitely worth considering. It expands easily from a single to a tandem pushchair, and when in tandem mode, it can be used in a whopping 30 combinations. The BabyStyle Oyster 3 is a large, robust travel system that will last well into the toddler years. It's got a lovely sunshade, bigger than most we tested in fact, and an adjustable handle that goes from 99 to 111 centimetres, so it'll work for you whether you're 5'1" or 6'4". The Maxi-Cosi Laika is another great example of a lightweight buggy that's travel system compatible. Small and stylish, it's a good choice if you're planning to use public transport a lot. The Laika has responsive steering, and it really can be folded down with one hand, once you've practiced it a few times. The Bugaboo Donkey 2 has an expandable frame, which converts this pushchair from a single to a side-by-side double buggy. As well as being really versatile, it also has loads of onboard storage space, which is handy, especially when you have 2 kids in tow. For twins or even 2 small children, the out and about Nipper Double is a great value double pushchair. And at just 72 centimetres wide, you shouldn't have trouble with doorways. It's easy to brake, steer and fold. It's a really comfy ride for the kids. So that's it, our roundup of the best pushchairs for 2019. To read more pushchair reviews and find out how we tested all the travel systems we mentioned in this video, head to mumsnet.com/reviews and don't forget to subscribe.